Hey, it's Brian with King Grizzly. Real quick video here showing how to duplicate a pop-up in Elementor. This is one of those things that probably someone will watch it down the road and think, well, this is not how you would do it anymore. There's this easy button where you can click copy, right, or whatever. That doesn't exist right now. So I've got I'm on the templates pop-ups view, and here I've got this example pop-up, which looks like this. Let's say I want to duplicate it. There's no easy way. I mean, I could click on this section and copy it, right? But with pop-ups, there's a lot more going on. Like if I click on the settings, there's things that are specific to pop-ups here, positioning and width and styling and stuff. That's not going to come across. And if you look over here, there's no duplicate button or anything. So this is kind of a hack, but it's the best way I've found right now. And what you have to do is you have to export the template. So I'm going to export this. I'll just save it. And then what I'm going to need to do is go over to import. And then I need to go browse for that file. So I found the file. It's got a funny name. It's a JSON file. But then once I've got it, I'm going to hit import now. And what it will do is it's going to create the exact same thing, but it has, let's limit this to our pop-up view. So same name, but you can see it was published 6 seconds ago. It's got a different short code. So I'm just going to hit quick edit, and I'm going to change that to new pop-up. I might change my slug to whatever I want. I'm going to update that. Don't have to do it this way. You could just hit edit with Elementor, and then once you're in, you can change some settings. But as you'll see, the pop-up will have come in with all the settings the way I had the previous one. This image blocked. I'm not sure why. Really not sure why. Normally that would work. It could just be my internet connection. But all the settings over here should be the same. And the general settings, this is where I could have changed the name, but not the slug. Anyway, that is how you copy or duplicate a pop-up in Elementor as of now, April 2020. But that would be a feature request to put in, some way to duplicate that. But that should work. It's not too much of a hassle. But it could be for clients if you're trying to have your clients make new pop-ups. That's a little bit technical. Anyway, hopefully that helps somebody. Please consider subscribing. We'll keep rolling out videos on Elementor. Thanks.